Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome to part 3 of the plague. Just a couple things before we start. Like all the other parts and scenarios, this is a work of fiction. Any similarities with any real-life things is completely used for fictional use only. This scenario also contains valid tones. Any misuse of these tones will result in imprisonment. Listen here, I'm not going to be responsible for your little mindless and rude antics if you decide to not use these tones the right way. I will not bail any person out of jail if they misuse the tones. Sorry for being too aggressive to everyone. I'm trying to prove a point. So, let's not wait any longer. Let's get this started already.
We start this part in a chaos-filled Atlanta, Georgia. The zombies got into the state around 2 days ago, and ever since then, hell has broken loose. The zombies have already spread throughout the entire southeast, and DC is currently being cornered. With this point, they asked Kim Jong-un to do the most inexplicable thing, even though they agreed to an offer.
Page D， 我觉得这块了给而是这两个人的退了过。
Yeah, I know we agreed to an offer. So listen, Kim. I know we agreed to an offer, but listen to me. Can you please? This is the only way to stop this. Please launch nuclear missiles. DC is cornered from all sides by the zombies, and I do not think we can keep this on anymore. If we launch the missiles, it's basically genocide against our own people. But if you launch the missiles, they'll think you did it, and we'll at least have something to do. So, can you please launch missiles? Yes, I want the missiles nuclear tipped. Okay? I want them nuclear tipped. Just send like 20 nuclear missiles over here, and we should at least be good. Please.
Okay.
We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Again, this is not a test. Please pay close attention to the alert, as this can pertain to a national crisis. At this time, zombies have been spreading into other states across the country. They include Georgia, Alabama, Texas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Arizona, New Mexico, California, Washington State, Kansas, Oklahoma, the Carolinas, the Virginias, the Dakotas, and Indiana. As a result and due to the failure of killing the zombies, North Korea has launched a total of 40 missiles inbound for the United States. All of these missiles are nuclear-tipped. All residents of the United States, no matter where you are advised to seek a fallout shelter now. The missiles will impact in 5 hours. Until then, gather food and other supplies to last you for at least 14 days. We are sorry to deliver this news, but we must. Stay in your shelters until the all-clear has been given. After this message ceases, the national anthem will play one more time before the missiles hit. Thank you for your cooperation, but the nukes are coming.
This is WBMA Birmingham, Alabama's ABC 3340. Sadly, we have to go off the air because of the nuclear missiles that have been launched. Thank you for seeing our shows for the past 74 years. We are not shutting down. Goodbye, everyone.
Epilogue. 5 hours after the national anthem was played, and as expected, the nuclear missiles dropped. The targets were never confirmed, as NORAD had a complete bad job at trying to detect the cities that they were trying to hit. After the fog was cleared and all the zombies were killed, everyone came out and mourned for the 10 million people who lost their lives. As a result, America moved down to number 5 in the population rankings. However, by 2032, they were back to where they once were, 3rd. China was seeing a population boom too. Just thought you should know that. After the nukes dropped, everyone started rebuilding like a true America. One after one. They wanted to be there forever. Which America was forever. In their hearts.
Hi everyone. You enjoyed the final part of the plague. This was really exciting to make. Shout out to Firefanatic for the EAS scenarios, and he gave me the inspiration to do these. Don't worry, more scenarios are coming in the future. If you liked this scenario and want to see more, like and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss a single video from me. I am also taking scenario requests, so comment what scenario you want to see next. Until next time everyone, I will see you boys later. Bye bye.